Here you are as an infant. Whatever's going on around you goes right into your subconscious mind. Whatever's going on, and that's how the paradigms form. See, the paradigm is a multitude of habits that are fixed in our subconscious mind. Somebody else made that paradigm, we didn't make it. Somebody else wrote the code for the paradigm that's controlling our life. In some cases, it was previous generations, going right back to your great-grandparents. It may control your perception of what's going on, dictating what you're thinking. We're being inundated with information. We leave our mind open and that stuff goes right into our emotional mind. And our subjective mind is taking that in and it's affecting every cell of our being. Why would we do that? We do it because we're programmed to do it. We let the outside control us. It's rather sad. And that's what the paradigm is.
I hope you enjoyed this video. We put a lot of good information up here and it causes everything in your life to get better. If you'd like us to notify you every time we put a new video up, hit subscribe and then turn on notification. Check out all our videos and we will notify you when we put a new one up.